Dr. Rajan Raj, PK, residing at Kannur. A smart, outspoken, bold, studious individual, and whose excellent academic records needs no mention. Dr. Ramya Ravindran belongs to Calicut. She's a joyful, lively character with good academic records. Dr. Ramya R, hailing from Pathanamthitta. She's a charming, charismatic personality. Dr. Rashmi PV, coming from Palakkad. Her areas of interest include literature and arts, and a creative and stylish way conquers every heart. Dr. Rashmi KP, native of Calicut. Her simple character adds beauty to her excellent dancing, artistic abilities, and academic records. Dr. Riaz Ahmad EK of Calicut district. He was a college union treasurer, and his team spirit needs no special mention. Dr. Rubina Bashir, native of Calicut. A cool head, loved by all for her joyful nature, chubby looks, and helpful attitude. Dr. Sajid Ahmad of Malappuram. A friendly person who believes that a smile can turn the world around.
Dr. Sajad from Malappuram. He is a jovial, humble, down-to-earth individual who believes that there is no limit for the care a doctor can give. Dr. Shahid Yaqub from Kannur. He is the youngest member of the batch. His enthusiastic, stylish and charming looks, hard-working attitude and passion for badminton conquers every heart. Dr. Shahla Kesi, coming from Malappuram. She has never failed to maintain her fair academic record throughout and is a joyful personality who always creates a positive energy around her. Dr. Shajna P. of Malappuram district. She is a hard-working individual defined by her calm and humble nature. Dr. Shamina A.U., native to Thrissur. Her happy-go-lucky attitude makes her unique. She is hardworking and systematic. Dr. Sharam Fatima from Ernakulam. Elegance is the word for her. She is also known for her academic excellence. Dr. Shakibar Kotel from Malappuram. A complete individual who conquers all with his friendly nature. He is also the icon player of MES cricket team. Dr. Shima K. hails from Palakkad. She is known for her simplicity, serenity, and her fair academic excellence. Dr. Shinumon K.S. from Alappuzha. He is an epitome of hard work and sincerity. He is jovial, smart, and systematic. Dr. Sinsi K. from Malappuram. She is jovial, smart, and fun-loving individual.
Dr. Suraj E.I. coming from Kannur. A cheerful, sincere, humble, enthusiastic individual who has won many laurels for the college, including the state-level psychiatric quiz. Dr. Susna S.S., whose hometown is Kannur. She is a confident, daring persona with a good academic track to her credit. She was the Joint General Secretary of the 2nd College Union. Dr. Tanuja C.H. She hails from Malappuram. She is better known as the poet of the batch, whose innocence adds to her beauty. Dr. Vinod Mohan Tachil, coming from Ernakulam. His simple character and dancing style speaks for him. Dr. Vipin T, residing at Calicut. He is yet another popular character of the batch for his smart, jovial, responsible, fun-loving nature and humor sense. Dr. Vishal V belongs to Calicut. An intellectual person, literary icon, one of the mature, responsible and hard-working persona of the batch. Dr. Vivek Vishwambaran hails from Thrissur. A cheerful, sincere individual, besides being a good orator, actor and dancer, he has the state-level psychiatric quiz medal also to his credit. Dr. Seenat Kunyamad, coming from Kannur. She was the Vice Chairman of the 2nd College Union, a confident, studious individual who brings perfection in everything she does.
Thank you, sir. Dear doctors, your graduation would be complete only after taking the pledge of the Hippocrates Oath. May I request our Honorable Chief Guest, Professor C.K. Ramachandran, to do the honor of administering the oath. May I also request our young graduating doctors to kindly rise up from your seats.
Hippocratic Oath, the Geneva Declaration. I solemnly pledge myself to consecrate my life to the service of humanity. Even under threat, will not use my medical knowledge contrary to the laws of humanity. I will maintain the utmost respect for human life from the time of conception. I will not permit consideration of religion, nationality, race, party politics or social standing to intervene between my duty and my patient. I will practice my profession with conscience and dignity. The health of my patient will be my first consideration. I will respect the secrets which are confined in me. I will give to my teachers the respect and gratitude which is their due. I will maintain by all the means in my power the honor and the noble traditions of medical profession. I will treat my colleagues with all respect and dignity. I shall abide by the code of medical ethics as enunciated in the Indian Medical Council. I make these promises solemnly, freely, and upon my honor. All the best to you.
Thank you, sir. Now, may I take this opportunity to congratulate our young doctors on graduation. Congratulations, now you are graduates.
And now, it's time for MES Medical College to recognize the outstanding performance of students of this batch. It's my privilege to invite the Director of MES Academy of Medical Sciences, Dr. P.A. Fazal Ghafoor, to present Dr. P.K. Abdul Ghafoor Gold Medal to Dr. Nusrat V. Her consistent performance secured her the best topper recognition through all her academic years, and finally, the best outgoing student of this batch. Thank you, sir. Now, may I invite our chief guest, Professor C.K. Ramachandran, to present the plaque to Dr. Nusrat V. May I also invite our respected Dean, Dr. C. Sadashivan Pillai, to present the Academic Excellence Certificate to Dr. Nusrat V.
Thank you, sir.